Thursday, February 15, 2024. Thursday after Ash Wednesday. Focus. If anyone would come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross daily and follow me. Lewin was upset with her toddler for spilling milk all over. No sooner had she finished cleaning the mess than her mother-in-law bumped into her crystal showpiece and shattered it. Her husband consoled her and helped her clean up, whispering, "Sweetheart, let's offer it up to the Lord." Jesus' invitation is only for those who are willing to carry their cross daily and follow him. It means we must die to ourselves each day without seeking comfort, pleasure, wealth, or consolation. Nor can we be attached to this world, but that might mean risking the loss of our soul. If we do not deny ourselves, but abandon our cross, it means we have stopped following Jesus. We are deceived in believing that we follow Christ by keeping days of obligation, tithing, practicing charity, and being involved in the parish. Are we also patient, kind, compassionate, and generous towards those who irritate us? Whether family, relatives, friends, neighbors, or colleagues. Crosses come in many different shapes and sizes. Let us recognize ourselves and lovingly embrace it, for it is given us by Jesus himself. Carrying it, we can truly follow him and receive the crown of glory. Fruit. Today, I shall identify my cross and, trusting in God, carry it patiently and with love.